Yan, hello guys! What's up and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video nga po, alamin natin ang benepisyo ng carrots. Ayan, sa mga may hilig sa carrots, shoutout dyan. Mahilig ba kayo sa carrots? Katulad ko, ako personally, sobrang hilig ko sa carrots. Pinapapak ko talaga yung carrots. Pag gumagawa ng sopas or ng pansit, hinihingi ko talaga yung sa piraso ng carrots at pinapangal ko nga yun. Kaya nga tinawag nila ako Bugs Bunny nung bata ko. And medyo malaki yung ngipin ko dati noon, yun sa may harap. Para talaga kasi Bugs Bunny. So, yun. Dahil mahilig ako sa carrots, alamin natin kung ano nga ba yung mga pwede nating makuhang positibo sa carrots. So, sabi nga dito, carrots are highly beneficial for health due to their rich nutritional content. Here are some of the key benefits. So, number 1. Ayan, number 1 nga po, promote healthy vision. Ayan, para sa ating vision. Of course, medyo alam na natin yan. Pero sabi nga dito, carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Ayan, a compound that the body converts into vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good eye health. So, yun na nga, vitamin A and beta-carotene. Yung beta-carotene, sobrang ganda din yan. One time, tatalakayin natin kung para saan nga pa ang beta-carotene. Pero, number 2 na nga po tayo. Ayan, balanced blood sugar. Ayan, sabi nga dito, the fiber content in carrots can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a good food choice for people with diabetes. Nice. So, maganda rin pala sa diabetes to, no? Na re-regulate niya yung blood sugar natin. So, number 3, ayan is yung weight management naman. Sabi nga dito, carrots are in low calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied without consuming a lot of calories, aiding in weight management. Ayan, nakakabusog pala talaga siya. Pero ako kasi pag kumakain ako nito, isa, dalawa, kung minsan bibili ko ng isang supot nito, ako lang kumakain talaga. Pinapapak ko talaga siya. So, medyo mura naman ng carrots. So, I think mga 10 pesos meron na yun sa may palengke. So, number 4, ayan is yung low risk of cancer. Yes, sabi nga dito, carrots contain antioxidants that can help fight harmful free radicals, ayan, in your body, which can damage cells and potentially contribute to cancer. Oh, nice. Napakaganda, no? Number 5 naman, ayan, is yung regulate blood sugar and reduce heart disease. The potassium in carrots can help regulate blood sugar, and antioxidants are beneficial for heart health nga daw po. Ayun. So, di ba, speaking of heart health, eto, hello, Onion. Ayan, yung love na love natin na si Onion Babes. Hindi ba yung pagkain niya, no? Pero, number 6 niyan, dumako na tayo sa number 6. Sabi dito, improve immunity. Sabi nga dito, carrots are high in vitamin C, ayan, which helps your body build antibodies that defend your immune system and prevent infections. Wow! Prevent infections, no? Ang ganda ng benepisyo ng carrots. Number 7, ayan, boost brain health. The nutrients in carrots can help improve, ayan, brain health and cognitive function. And dumako naman tayo sa number 8. Ayan, sabi dito, skin health. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body changes to vitamin A. Vitamin A helps maintain healthy skin, and beta-carotene may help protect the skin from sunburn and slow down skin aging by improving elasticity, hydration, texture, wrinkles, and age spots. So, nakakapagpatagal pala siya ng pagtanda ng itsura natin. Technically, ang dami niya nagagawa sa ating balat. So, ang ganda ng benepisyo ng carrots. And number 9, ayan, is yung good for teeth and gums. Sabi nga dito, carrots can act as a natural toothbrush, scrubbing your teeth as you chew, removing harmful plaque buildup from the enamel, and removing surface stains, leaving you with a brighter smile. Oh, yung mga stains pala sa ngipin natin, nakatulong pala ang carrots para mabawasan or matanggal yon. So, pero sabi nga dito, remember, while carrots offer many health benefits, they should be part of a balanced diet and not the sole source of nutrition. Ayun. So, yeah, of course, balanced diet is very important. Wow, important. Hindi, joke lang. Very important nga po ang balanced diet. As usual, lagi naman, syempre, kailangan balance lagi ang diet natin. And ito po ay hatid sa inyo ng 8 health benefits of carrots, nutrition, benefits, risk, and preparation. Doon po natin kinuha yung mga information about that. So, if nagustuhan nyo ito, mag-comment, pag-like, and mag-subscribe na nga po kayo. Hit na po yung notification bell, and kita-kita po ulit tayo sa another vlog po natin, another information na share natin. Marami pa to, guys. So, stay tuned. And ingat po kayo palagi. God bless. And, ayun. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Thank you.